What's up? Right now, I am in the HEEP Jeep, and I am taking out the gauge clusters. Close the door. And it's because it has that. I get that. Let's see, somewhere I get that no bust thing, you know, and then all the gauges stop working. So I googled the let's turn this on. I googled the remedy for that, and apparently there's some connectors back here that they get like dirty and loose and whatever. So all I gotta do is take this out, clean it, put it back in. But right now, I got my handy dandy screwdriver, and let's see, this is a screw hole right here. My dumbass dropped the screw in here, and I tried it with my magnet stick, tried it with my magnet flashlight, but I don't know where it is. So since I took the interior from the other Jeep apart, I have all these random Jeep interior bolts and screws. Minus this. I don't know why this is in here. That's not from an interior. So, note to self: keep screws and whatnot, because you never know when you're gonna need them. And same with this. The controller, the dials for the AC and heat and stuff, they ain't got no screws. Right here. Which is weird, but yeah, I got these. So yeah, this right here is the connector I was talking about. So you can see how dirty this thing is. So this is a connector. You get some like I think it's like electric cleaner or something like that. You just spray it right in there, and then do the same with this, right? Oops. Do the same with this one right here, and put it back together, and you should be good. On the this is Grand Cherokee, so on the normal Cherokee, there is two. There's one about right here, one about right here. So yeah, I'm getting ready to do that on the my Cherokee. Right. Yeah. Right, zoom. No zoom. Alright, well, it's back there. So I'm getting ready to do that on mine also.